I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about 5 places where you can find remote or work from home jobs. Since the pandemic started, work from home gaining popularity, and pandemic introduced new mode of working called work from home to all the people, and that created new opportunities. People who are facing difficulties to commute to jobs location, and they now are getting opportunities to work from home, and it has created many opportunities. That is the fact that we need to admit. But for people who are looking for places to find work from home jobs, this video will be helpful for you. Watch this video till the end. I will share 5 websites which you can use to find work from home jobs. You will find work from home jobs for literally everything, so there is no limit for that. And it is not only applicable to IT or software related jobs, even for content writers, you can speak well, who has some good communication skills, or whatever the work it might be, you will find work from home jobs for almost everything. I will share the 5 websites where you will find remote or work from home jobs irrespective of your age. Even though you're a student, even though you're already working and looking for freelancing work, or you want to find a completely full-time remote job, then this video will be really helpful for you. So before jumping on into the list, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that it will help me to reach more people. So the first in the list is Flex Jobs. In Flex Jobs, you will find many remote jobs. It might be IT, it might be marketing, content writing, designing. You will find all kinds of remote jobs and all over the world. So there is no specific thing that you need to belong to a specific country here. You can find remote or work from home jobs from all over the world. And second in the list is AngelList. AngelList is a very popular one. Not only work from home jobs, you will find literally jobs all across the world. So even though you are planning to work abroad, in AngelList you will find many such jobs. And for work from home jobs, so you will find many remote jobs in AngelList irrespective of your domain. It might be technology related jobs, it might be developer jobs, testing jobs, writing jobs, designing jobs, operation jobs, marketing. You will find jobs related to everything in AngelList, both full-time and part-time as well as freelancing. And number 3 in the list is Just Remote. Just Remote is also a place where we will find many technology and marketing related jobs. Find jobs from all over the world. And number 4 in the list is Remote. Remote.co is a website where organizations directly hire you. You will find what all the jobs that a specific company is hiring, and you can apply based on that. And number 5 in the list is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is of course famous for its job search platform where companies can directly hire you. You can chat with the recruiters. There are various options available. So I also made a separate video on how you can actually use LinkedIn to apply for a job. Similarly, so the same thing is applicable here. You can find jobs in LinkedIn and you can just put a filter called remote so that you can find all the remote jobs available. And LinkedIn has a broad range of jobs available. These are all the 5 platforms which you can use to find remote jobs. And if anything is stopping you from working on site, then ultimately these platforms will really help you to find such remote jobs. I hope it would be helpful. Please share this video in your network. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new visitor. Thank you.